How to make Google Chrome the default browser on Windows. Hey everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Apps. After you have clicked on Apps in here, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on Default Apps. After you have clicked on Default Apps, you'll find all the options of default apps. Scroll down till you find Browsers or Web Browser. Now, simply click on it and you'll find all the browser options. Select Google Chrome. After you've selected Google Chrome, you're good to go. This is how to make Google Chrome the default browser on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.